market longer and buyer demand has slowed. So, what's this mean if you're selling today? It's Friday, September 9th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe. If you're selling your house now, it's true that the market has moved past the peak of frenzy, but this doesn't mean that there are no buyers out there looking for homes. As higher mortgage rates made it more expensive to buy a home, many buyers were priced out of the market or having to amend their search to fit their new range. Mortgage rates in January were in the low 2% range, and now they are at 6% for many loan products. The result is fewer bidding wars and less competition among buyers, as you can see from this chart. This past May, homes were selling 55% over list price, and in July, that number adjusted to 39%. Still, nothing to sneeze at. Since we're headed to a new normal, sellers need to adjust their expectations if the goal is to sell the home. Homes priced right are still selling very quickly, but homes priced too high are being passed up. Let's take a look at what the Eastern Shore activity was this past week. Homes for sale went back up to 1,238. These have been on the market a median 61 days. 95 properties are coming soon. Up again this week from last report. 146 came to the market since last week's report, a 9% rise. 87 properties are temporarily off, down further from last week. 64 went to contract, off by 26.5%. 84 properties went to pending, a decrease of 21.42%. 158 properties sold, which is down 32.2%. The highest sale this past week was in Berlin, for $1.5 million. Rental inventory rose to 55 properties at $1,700 per month. These have been on the market for 19 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 9th, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week.